Just a short video of the 4 litre Gems engine which I'm currently selling on eBay. She's now been running for well over an hour. I've took it around the estate and that drives absolutely gorgeous. That pull like a train. That's running lovely on petrol and LPG. Very simple to convert back to petrol. Just literally unplug the plugs on the injectors and put the original ones back on, which are already sitting there waiting to be clipped back on, and get rid of all the other shit really. But she sounds absolutely gorgeous. Got a hole in the exhaust so it sounds a bit throaty, but it's fully stamped in the service book up to 106,000. That had all the head gaskets replaced, when did he say? Back in 2006 I believe he said. That's now done 160,000 or just over 160,000, and she's running absolutely beautiful. Temperature gauge holds half spot on. There we have it. No running issues whatsoever. Absolutely gorgeous.